What you are about to see is a recreation of a serious potential incident that took place at this production facility. 160 million cubic feet of natural gas are produced here daily. The operation, which produces, dehydrates, and compresses the gas, is laid out over 64,000 acres of mountainous high desert. A facility shutdown has been in effect all day, so multiple separate 2-inch to 4-inch tie-ins can be made to reduce line pressure in the system.
5 o'clock, we started a blowdown procedure. Went and blew the lines down. After we had the lines blown down, we went ahead with our nitrogen purge. And after that was established, the roustabout crews went back and put the skeleton in place. And the gas lift and the produced gas and isolated the water lines. After that, we started putting people in place on each trench where we're going to make our tie-ins. There was 2 welders per hole doing their tie-ins rather. From that point on, everything went really smooth.
There is more than a mile of hilly terrain between some of the holes, distance that contributes to the complexity of the job.
We made something like 4 or 5 tie-ins that day. I'm going to say around 5 o'clock that evening. Starting to go towards the end of the day, we already put in about 12, 14 hours in. Like I said before, we was making a tie-in between a 4-inch and a 2-inch. We were swapping lines to more volume to our sales point, and that's what we was actually doing out here. I got that completed. The welders were over in the next hole, and I assumed, which is another thing, that they were done. James, we're pretty well wrapped up here. Why don't you guys start the far end and start pulling those skillets? 10-4. We talked to pull the skillets on the produced gas, and in the process, we went ahead and pulled the gas lift skillets also.
And we was working the last 2 wells, and was making a tie-in, and then I can smell a little bit of gas, you know. I told the other welder, I said, Eddie, I said, I smell gas, but you know, when you're talking underneath your hood, you know, you can understand, you know. So, you know, we went and go ahead and finish our well, and we stood up, nothing happened. So at the time, you know, I mean, it could be, you know, I thought it could be the ground or, you know, stuff like that. And then we was gonna make a 2-inch cut to make the last tie-in. So we went away and striking arc to the bevel machine or the torch.
I was down to 24-5 checking the equipment down there when I got the call that we had a fire in one of the holes.
Which hole?
I immediately went back to the location where the fire was occurring. Needless to say, my adrenaline was flowing. I mean, I come out of the truck pretty quick and checked, and when I saw all the people standing, I had a sigh of relief.
After finding everyone unharmed, the supervisor drives to the nearest blowdown point and relieves the line. The fire stops almost immediately.
The relief is
Everybody okay?
such a magnitude that nobody's hurt.
You think you're lucky stars.
Yeah.
You know.